Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So we are making pancakes for breakfast. I have bread, I have smoky, and now it's pancake time. I'm not a perfect cook when it comes to pancake. Let me place you guys here. I guess you can see what we are doing from there. So guys, when it comes to pancake, I'm not a perfect cook, but I'm trying as far as this is concerned. The first one, you can see it just turned out perfectly. Both sides are good. Let's see. Oh, this one too is ready. Let's remove it. And it's cooked well both sides. So let me look for a ring light where I can place you guys.
It's my turn, baby. My turn. I'm gonna cook it.
Put all of it. And then in a misha pan, they spread like this. You do like. Wait. Yeah. You wait. Hey. You'll cook madhogodhanio right now. Then you put tumafuta at the sides like that. Ooh. You wait. See until it start frying like that.
I want more, Mama.
There is no more momo. There is no more momo.
No.
I know you love pancake, but yeah. Wait. I put for you on the table.
Is it even?
Yeah. Reduce motor. And then yes, like that. It's okay. Now, after doing one side, you remove the other side. You put the kijiko under.
How?
Hold the handle.
This one.
Yes. Hold with the left hand. Try the kijiko to go under the pan. Slowly. Perfect. Burning yourself is part of it. Part of learning, okay? But sorry.
All this splattered on me. CJ. I want a little.
Give me that white plate. Ariana is eating. You are eating what? Now take one pancake from here and place it on CJ's plate. That one. Perfect. CJ, come. Take this one. Go and eat this one before chai boy. When it's done, you'll need the gas. Aki, that Nini is aibishing me. Move, remove. Remove. Aye? You know I'm recording. Hey. Perfect. Oh. Are you satisfied that you have made that one? Yeah. Okay. Good morning. It's another beautiful day, guys. So I'm making breakfast. And yeah, tea is ready. And I was making these smokies. I'm now making these smokies. I have pre-boiled them. Zimeungua. Like that, they are ready. And so I want to put them. Ooh.
Mami, nini imekukaisha?
Wapi?
Si imekaa sana.
Nini imekaa?
Kama katakata.
Nilikuwa naosha vyombo, madam.
Mama. Smokies zinanukaga vizuri tu.
Vizuri?
Zinafanya watu wakuje.
Wageni wamekuja.
Mimi peke yangu.
Oh, amazing. Shika upeleke kwa meza. Alafu kujia mkate pia. I've made uji ya mtoi. It's here cooling. Yum. Mommy. Hello, Mommy. wash the food.